Subtraction very similar to addition. This vector is a bar, magnitude A suppose. Vector A bar, magnitude A. This is another vector B bar, magnitude B. With respect to A, angle is a theta. Angle is a theta. So A bar, B bar, two vectors making an angle theta. Magnitudes we know A and B. Now target is not addition, subtraction. S bar equal to A bar minus B bar. Is that subtraction of B bar from A bar? See, very simple logic. Here A bar plus of minus B bar, right? Because students, minus B bar is one more vector. Minus B bar is negative of B bar. Negative of one vector is one more vector. So that's why here I am assuming A bar plus C bar. Here C bar is a minus B bar, right? So that's why S bar equal to A bar minus B bar. This is our target. I am writing A bar plus of minus B bar. Minus B bar is a negative of B bar. That is one more vector, C bar. So A bar plus C bar. A bar plus C bar is a S bar. Now our target is A bar plus C bar. A bar plus C bar is just like a vector addition of A bar and B bar, previous one, but that's why easily you can find. Okay, just wait. Students, it is a B bar means exactly opposite. Same magnitude but opposite direction. This is a C bar equal to minus B bar I am taking. Means C bar magnitude also B, but C bar direction is opposite to B bar. Now vector addition of A bar C bar is nothing but our answer. Now two vectors how to add we know. Yes, first vector A bar. A bar it is. Magnitude A. Starting point to ending point. Second vector should start from terminal point of first vector. But second vector what here? C bar. C bar means this is. So now this is C bar. Magnitude is a B. Magnitude is a B. Now starting point of first vector, ending point of last vector. This line join, it is nothing but a vector addition. But what is A bar plus C bar is S bar. So this is S bar. Indirectly, what is S bar? S bar is a bar minus B bar. See, A bar minus B. Now this S bar is making an angle beta with A bar. But not to B bar side. Opposite to B bar. Not this side. Opposite to B bar. This side. This is the angle beta. Yes, so students, now here this angle theta means even this angle also theta. But now this angle we don't need. We need this angle. That is 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta. Why I am taking this angle means angle between two vectors. How to find out the angle between two vectors now? That angle determination case I explained. Both starting points should be same. First, this vector, this vector. This is A bar, this is C bar. Both start from same. Now this angle is an angle between those two. That's why what is angle between A bar and C bar means theta is not answer. 180 minus theta is our answer. 180 minus theta. angle between two vectors, here A bar and C bar, is 180 minus theta. Now this is S bar. Vector addition of A bar and C bar is nothing but a subtraction of B bar from A bar. So this magnitude we need, students. Modulus of S bar, S equal to root over nothing but addition, A square plus C square plus 2AC cos of angle between A bar and C bar, 180 minus theta. Cos 180 minus theta is a minus cos theta. Right. Here under root A square, yes, C. What is the magnitude of C bar? B. So that's why A square plus B square minus 2 AB cos theta. This is magnitude of S bar. S bar is A bar minus B bar. Means another subtraction. Similarly, tan beta. This is now tan beta. Tan beta, very simple. That is now opposite side. Yes, previously in this B sin theta was there in the addition. Yes, same now here also. If you take B sin theta divided by A minus B cos theta. Same theta place to 180 minus theta. Now here tan beta. Even if you make now from the component form also you can find out. If you take this such, this is B cos theta, A minus B cos theta, opposite to B sin theta. But you need not know because already we know addition. From the addition only I am explaining the subtraction. Tan beta equal to B sin theta by A minus B cos theta. Therefore, beta equal to tan inverse of that. Tan inverse of that. But beta is this side. So now it is vector subtraction of A bar, B bar with A bar. Means A bar minus B bar. Very similar to A bar plus C bar. But first you need to find negative of a vector. Negative of a vector. So A bar plus C bar is nothing but A bar minus B bar. Because C bar equal to minus B bar. Yes, so students, we know vector addition. A bar plus C bar is nothing but A bar plus C bar represented with S bar. S bar equal to A bar plus C bar. That is A bar plus of minus B bar. That is A bar minus B bar. So indirectly it is A bar minus B bar. A bar minus B bar magnitude clearly over, that is under root A square plus B square minus 2AB cos theta. Next to angle made by the S bar with A bar, tan beta equal to B sin theta by A minus B cos theta. Yes, up to here already completed. Now, one special case on this. Students, suppose here A equal to B. That means two vectors having the same magnitude. Suppose A equal to B. Then S equal to under root A square plus A square minus 2A square cos theta. That is 2A square if you take outside, 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta from trigonometry. Already our identity is completed. Cos 2 theta equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. That's why 2 sin square theta is 1 minus cos 2 theta. But here 1 minus cos theta is there. That means 2 sin square theta by 2. So already 2A square is there, already root is there. That's why answer S equal to 2A Sin theta by 2. Suppose if A equal to B, that is two vectors having the same magnitude, that subtraction vector S bar, that equal to A bar minus B bar, having a magnitude of 2A sin theta by 2. 2A sin theta by 2. Then now coming to beta also. Yes, students, A equal to B. This is now A sin theta, A minus A cos theta, A cancel out. Sin theta divided by 1 minus cos theta. That means if you take A equal to B, then here sin theta, you can write 2 into sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Then here 1 minus cos theta place 2 into sin square theta by 2. 2, yes, here 2 cancel out. Sin theta by 2, sin theta by 2. Here still one cos theta by 2 is there. Cos theta by 2, here sin theta by 2. So cot theta by 2 you will get. So tan beta equal to cot theta by 2. So this is only special case A equal to B. So in general now these two principles sufficient. Suppose one student not remember this all formula, suppose that student how to solve the problem. Suppose now here these two formulas suppose not remember, that student how to solve problem. See, very simple. Here to here A, see this total distance is a right? This is minus B bar, means here to here magnitude is a B. Okay, now this is your S. S is the subtraction of two vectors, that is A bar minus B bar. This is the S. Now here to here, here to here, A we know, B we know, and also this theta also we know. Then in this right angle triangle, students, this length B sin theta, right? Opposite side B sin theta. Now here to here B cos theta. Okay. Here to here A, here to here B cos theta means, students, from here to here A minus B cos theta. Next to here is a S. Here to here is a S. Opposite B sin theta. So in a right angle triangle, here to here A minus B cos theta, opposite side B sin theta, hypotenuse question mark. Yes, again right angle principle. S equal to under root A minus B cos theta whole square plus B sin theta whole square. Examiner theta value, A value, B value, right? So that's why any student suppose not remember that formula, need not to worry. Yes, by using this logic you can find out. Yes, what is the S now? Under root A minus B cos theta whole square plus B sin theta whole square. After simplification you will get this, but suppose not remember, this is the method. Similarly, here beta is angle. Tan beta equal right angle triangle, opposite side divided by adjacent. Opposite B sin theta, adjacent A minus B cos theta. That's over. So that's why how to find the subtraction, method. You need not to remember formula also. Directly A bar and B bar, take negative of B bar. A bar and minus B bar addition is nothing but a subtraction of A bar and B bar. That is A bar minus B bar. This is the method. Yes, already remember, then no. Not remember, this is the method.